Packaging is important to our clients because packaging is the first thing their clients see. Our clients come to us with many different problems. Sometimes they're needing to replace a labeler or needing a quick changeover because with marketing, they like different sizes. They like different configurations. Sometimes they're putting in a new line or a new factory so that they can keep up with demand and keep their shelf space going forward. It's about making lines that are more efficient and lines that you can run even if there's no labor. We're a one-stop shop. We can help provide the entire package. That's awesome for the client because it's less expensive, it's faster, it's one cohesive product. We use a lot of tools to help our clients get the best packaging line possible. Not only do we use 3D modeling and mass flow so that we can see how the line's going to do, but we also use simulation. We can go out onto the packaging floor and actually see the equipment on the floor right in front of you. It makes it really easy to visualize the product as we're designing it. We put our hearts into each packaging line for each client that we work with. We're an extension, we're a part of their team, and we go to great lengths to make them successful. If it's conceptual, if it's mostly defined, if it's fully defined, we can deliver what they need when they need it.